Welcome to today's guide where we'll explore 4 crucial techniques for refining sections in Revit, boosting efficiency and clarity in your projects. Tip 1. Toggle section head visibility. First up, start with toggling section head visibility. Section heads can clutter your view, especially in complex models. To toggle their visibility, simply select the section head and use the toggle arrows. This keeps your view clean while still maintaining access to essential information. Tip 2. Splitting the section line. Next, we'll delve into splitting the section line. Sometimes you need to create a break in a long section line to improve clarity. To do this, select the section line, activate the Split Segment tool, and place the split point where needed. This helps focus on specific sections of your design without affecting the overall view. Tip 3. Creating a gap in the section. Moving on to creating gaps within the section. Occasionally you may want to introduce a gap in the section to highlight changes or insert annotations. Simply select the section line, use the small gap button in the middle, and adjust the gap length as necessary. This method enhances communication of design details without compromising the sectional integrity. Tip 4. Manually adjusting section extent. Finally, we'll explore manually adjusting section extent. Revit offers flexibility in adjusting how far sections extend beyond their cut planes. Select the section head, go to the Properties palette, and modify the far clip offset. Use these arrows to control how far you want to see and what this section will include. This feature allows precise control over what's displayed, ensuring you capture the right details in your sections. Follow us for more tips and tricks.